coming to the 12th. Now, after reading your 12th story, as an assessor, I feel that you are a little over smart chap. And now I will be really very particular in your VAT and SRT, though I will be otherwise as well. But now it looks like. Why? See, your overall thing has been going into a goodness. Correct? Yes. Overall thing has been going into a goodness. There on a particular story which I talk about, you got little impractical, right? In 12th story, you are totally intentional, not a natural story, pre-baked story. I can assess this very clearly. पहले से mind में set हो रखी है story. Please understand one strong guideline for all of you. Never write any such story which you have not experienced in your life or which is out of your capacity to experience. I'll give you an example. Please understand. आपने आज तक किसी भी आदमी का एक्सीडेंट जो हुआ उसकी मदद नहीं करी, मान लेना, और आप सेकंड फ्लोर से नीचे भी नहीं कूदे, ये दोनों काम आपने नहीं करे. बट अगर आज एक सिचुएशन आ जाए किसी आदमी की मदद करनी है, तो ये आपकी कैपेसिटी में है? ये आपकी कैपेसिटी में है? यस और नो?
यस सर.
राइट. इट लुक्स प्रैक्टिकल. आज आपको सेकंड फ्लोर से नीचे कूदना पड़ जाए, ये आपकी कैपेसिटी में है? हो सकता है आपकी कैपेसिटी में हो. यू माइट बी एन एक्रोबैट और आप क्या पता बड़े करते हो. आई एम टॉकिंग फ्रॉम अ जनरल पर्सपेक्टिव एज अ नॉर्मल ह्यूमन बीइंग. क्या वो कैपेसिटी में है?
नो सर.
सो व्हाट इट मींस, दोनों ही काम मैंने आज तक नहीं करे, बट I should go with that thing which I have done it or which is in my capacity from a normal eye. I don't have to become a superhuman being with them. I don't have to show that, look, I am the only person now alive on this universe or on this planet who can really alone can make this mission happen. So the idea is, in this story, first of all, the biggest error you have done is you have written something which you have not done at all. And I can easily see that it is a completely planned story. Just a simple question. Have you joined the armed forces? No, have you got recommended from SSB?
No, sir.
How you can say that just by doing this dedication and blah, 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 so others don't have the dedication?
No.
And then, so please understand, all of you, this earlier also I have mentioned, again I am telling all of you, blank story को कैसे handle करना है, फिर समझ लीजिए. You must go with the clarity of thought in your mind that what you will be writing in a blank story. There is no problem. Do go with the clarity of thought. पहले से mind में picture का POV clear होना चाहिए. Don't ratify it. Write it there. And along with that, plan that particular thought process, what you have existingly done in your life. Never ever write about फौज कि जी मैंने फौज में करना था, वो एक बच्चा था फौज में फलाना ढिमकाना. It looks like I am trying to impress. Why you are trying to impress me? See, what you write, that should have some weightage. आप मुझे एक चीज बताइए, एक राइटिंग की वेटेज कब होती है? If I ask you a question, a very simple question. If I ask you, there are 3 pieces of writing. How do you logically and scientifically state that which particular writing has some dearth and has some hand holding and is strong writing?
When it is practical, sir.
Correct. The writing which has a strong hand holding, which has some dearth, is the one which is practical, which means it comes from someone who is actually the one who has realized it. The moment when someone who has realized something writes something, it creates a different impact on the viewer, on the reader, and the one who is apprehending it. Because writing something from the POV, so it's exactly like this. I say, okay, describe the sweetness of gulab jamun. Case 1 without eating it, case 2 without, case 2 after eating it. Tell me which one will be more authentic and which one you will be able to describe more profoundly.
Second one.
As simple as that. So better eat something and then describe.
Yes.
Let's not be try to be a good orator. Let's not try to be someone where we are just trying to this. So आपकी ये आखिरी स्टोरी ने आपको पूरा उड़ा दिया पूरे टाट में.
Yes, sir.
Understood? And understood how to handle a blank story. Never talk about forge. Forget about it. Write something which you are practically into. आप student है तो अपना student life का कुछ लिख दो ना. 12वीं में कुछ हुआ था. You are in college. Write something about college. You are in your job. Write about that. और वो क्या लिखना है? Keep that thought process clear in mind. Don't ratify it. And with that thought process, write naturally that thought process over there. उससे फायदा क्या होगा? जब आप उसको थॉट प्रोसेस क्लियर रखेंगे तो एक तो कम टाइम में आपको सोचना नहीं पड़ेगा. बट व्हेन यू डोंट रटाफाई एंड देन यू राइट नेचुरली दैट थॉट प्रोसेस, सो ऑटोमेटिकली जो ऊपर की 11 स्टोरीज हैं उसी सिंक में 12th स्टोरी आ जाएगी. इट वोंट लुक लाइक दिस इज लाइक सुपर ग्रेट, ग्रामेटिकली एवरीथिंग वेरी नाइस, एंड ऊपर वाली तो बड़ी बेकार थी. सो आई क्लियरली इट टेल्स यू दैट यू हैव रटाफाइड दिस, यू हैव क्रैम्ड दिस स्टोरी. This is the way how you need to attempt that. Is that clear, Harsha?
Yes, sir.